I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Uber app. You just go down here, click on account down here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on privacy here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here, click here on personalized offers, promo and promos and marketing content. You scrolling down here, you will find a lot of personalized offers and promos from over clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.